Total station surveyors in Laxmi Nagar play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. With their expertise and the use of advanced technology, they ensure accurate measurements and precise data collection. Laxmi Nagar, one of the busiest commercial areas in Delhi, requires efficient surveying to support the growing infrastructure development and urban planning projects. Total station surveyors in this area are equipped with the latest equipment and software to provide high-quality surveying services. The use of total stations in surveying has revolutionized the industry. These instruments combine the features of a theodolite and an electronic distance meter to measure angles and distances with great precision. Total station surveyors in Laxmi Nagar utilize these devices to capture detailed measurements of the land and its features. This data is then used to create accurate topographic maps, establish property boundaries, and aid in the design and construction of buildings and infrastructure. SCON Design is a leading firm that specializes in total station surveying in Laxmi Nagar. With their team of skilled surveyors and cutting-edge equipment, they offer a wide range of services to cater to various project requirements. Whether it's conducting a land survey for a new construction project or performing an as-built survey for an existing structure, SCON Design ensures accuracy and reliability in their deliverables. The role of total station surveyors in Laxmi Nagar goes beyond just collecting data. They also perform data analysis and interpretation to provide valuable insights to their clients. This includes identifying potential challenges or constraints that may affect the design or execution of a project. By thoroughly understanding the land's characteristics, total station surveyors can help architects, engineers, and developers make informed decisions that optimize resources and minimize risks. Laxmi Nagar total station surveyors are essential to the practice of land surveying. They assure exact measurements and data collecting thanks to their experience and usage of cutting-edge technologies. To assist the expanding infrastructure development and urban planning initiatives, effective surveying is needed in Laxmi Nagar, one of Delhi's busiest commercial zones. The most recent hardware and software are used by total station surveyors in this region to deliver top-notch surveying services. Total station use in surveying has completely changed the field. To measure angles and distances with extreme precision, these tools combine the features of a theodolite and an electronic distance meter. Laxmi Nagar total station surveyors use these tools to take precise measurements of the land and its features. In the realm of land surveying, Laxmi Nagar total station surveyors are extremely important. They guarantee precise data gathering and accurate measurements through their experience and the use of cutting-edge technologies. To support expanding infrastructure development and urban planning projects, Laxmi Nagar, one of Delhi's busiest commercial neighborhoods,